Hi dear children, good morning. Today we have to study divisibility test. What? Divisibility test. Okay. In our chapter 3, our topic test for divisibility of numbers. Test for divisibility of numbers. Okay. First test about divisibility test by 2. Divisibility by 2. Okay. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Digits at the ones place. Ones place means what? Unit place. Okay, which is the ones place? The example 458. 8 is the ones place. Okay, so here ones place digit here. What is the digit? Ones place digit. Yes. Ones place, what is the ones place digit here? Is 8. Ones place digit is 8. Okay. That is 8 included in this included here. Okay. That means what? This number is divisible by 2. Okay. This number is divisible by 2. That means what? 458 is an even number. Okay. All even numbers are ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. That means all even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. That means here what? 458 is divisible by 2. Okay. That means 458 divided by 2. Then remainder is what? 0. Okay. That means 458 is exactly divisible by 2. Okay, another one example. 1000. Okay, what is the ones place digit? Yes, ones place digit equal to what? Ones place digit is 0. Here 0 included. Yes, 0, that is if the number is divisible by 2. If the digit at the ones place, that is unit place digit is what? 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, here ones place digit is 0. So what? 1000 is divisible by 2. Okay, that means what? All even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, clear? Test of divisibility by 2. Okay. Test of divisibility by 2 means what? Yes. Ones place, that is ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then that number is divisible by 2. Okay, right. Next divisibility test by 3. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is exactly divisible by 3. So here find what? Sum of the digits. Okay. So sum of the digits. What are the digits in this number? 5 and 7. Okay. So we take sum of 5 and 7. What is sum of 5 and 7? Yes, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Okay. 12 is divisible by 3. Here the sum is divisible by 3. Then given number is divisible by 3. So what? 57 is divisible by 3. Okay. First we have to find what? Sum of the digits of the given number. Then that sum is divisible by 3. Then given number is divisible by 3. Okay. Another one example. Example 2. 54631 4-digit number. Yes. Take sum of the digits. Sum of the digits equal to 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Okay, so what is, you can get sum. Yes, yes, here sum equal to 18. Which sum? Sum of the digits of 5463. Okay, that means 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 equal to 18. Here 18 is lies in the multiplication table of 3. Yes, so that means what? 18 is divisible by 3. Okay, so what? 5463 is divisible by 3. Okay, here sum of the given number is what? Divisible by 3. Okay, here sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3. Then what? That given number is divisible by 3. Okay, here sum is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Okay, so given number 5463 is divisible by 3. Okay, what is the definition for divisibility by 3? A number is divisible by 3, then if the sum of the digits is exactly divisible by 3, then our given number is divisible by 3. Okay, so all of you understood these two examples? Yes, right. Yes, next test of divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two, here check what? Last two digits of the given number. That means ones place and 10 place of the given number. Last two digits of a number are 0 or exactly divisible by 4. Exactly divisible by 4 means that numbers lie on the table of 4. Okay, that means completely divisible by 4, that numbers. Okay, divisible by 4. Okay, that is given number 238. What is the last two digits? Yes, last two digits. Yes, last two digits are 32. Here 32 lies on the table of multiplication table of 4 or not? Yes. How many 4s in 32? Yes. 4 into how many times? As 8 4s are 32. That means what? 32 is exactly divisible by 4. Okay, that means here last two digits is exactly divisible by 4. That is 32 there, right? Next, 32 is divisible by 4. So given number what? So 232 is divisible by 4. Okay, here check what? Last two digits of the given number. That number is divisible by 4. Then given number is divisible by 4. Another one condition also given. Last number, that is two digits of a numbers are 0. That is one example like that, like this. That is one example 300. Here last two digits are 0. Last two digits are 0. That means what? Last two digits what? Last two digits equal to 0. Then what? Given number is divisible by 4. Last two digits are 0 or exactly divisible by 4. Okay. Here last two digits are 0. Okay. That means what? 300 is divisible by 4. 300 is divisible by 4. Okay, clear? Okay, another one example. Example 3. 1240. Okay, here what is the last two digit? 14. 14 included in the multiplication table of 4? No. Okay. 14 is not divisible by 4. 14 is not divisible by 4. That means 14 is not lying on the multiplication table of 4. Okay. So what? 1214 is not divisible by 4. Okay. Not divisible by 4. Okay. Clear? Here we want to check last 2 digits of the given number in divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits, that is ones and tens place of the given numbers, are 0 or exactly divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Okay. We want to check here 3 examples. First 2 examples divisible by 4. Here last example not divisible by 4. All of you understood? Is right. Next one, simple divisibility test by 5. Okay, that is very simple. Here we have to check only ones place digit of the given number. Okay, one example, what? 505. A number is divisible by 5 if the ones place digit is 0 or 5. Here we want to check ones place digit. Here ones place digit what? 5. Okay, so what? 505 is divisible by 5. Why here this is divisible by 5? Here ones place digit, that is unit place digit is 5. Okay. Another one example. 2000. 2000. Here what is the ones place digit? Ones place digit is 0. That means what? 2000 is divisible by 5. Okay. Why? Here last digit is what? 0. Here what is the condition for checking divisibility by 5? As last digits are 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay, another one example. Yes, 5052. 5052. What is the last digit? Last digit is 2. That means what? What is our condition? Last digit is 0 or 5. Here last digit is 2. Last digit is 2. Okay. Here what? Here last digit is 2. So it is divisible or not? Last digit is 2. So what? 5052 is not divisible by 5. Okay, not divisible by 5. Okay, clear? It's very easy. It's right. Yes, next one. Divisibility test by 10. That is also very simple. Here we want to check last digits only. Okay. A number is divisible by 10 if the ones place digit is 0. Here ones place digit but 0s. Okay. Here ones place digit is 0. So what? 10,580 is divisible by 10. Okay. Another one question. 5050. Here last digit is 0. So 5050 is divisible by 10. Okay. Divisibility test for 5 and 10 very simple. Okay. Well, if you understood divisibility test of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. If you clear? Yes. Write this also. Yes, next we have tried one question. Using the divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4. What is the divisibility test of 4? Yes, a number is divisible by 4. Last two digits are 0 or divisible by 4. Okay, so what is the last two digits? Yes, last two digits is last two digits. Last two digits equal to 72. Okay, 72 is divisible by 4 or not? Don't know. Yes, we have to divide 72 divided by 4. 1 into 4, 4. Then what is 3? 2. How many? 8 4s are 32. Okay. So that means what? Here remainder 0. That means here 72 is divisible by 4. Okay. That means what? 500. Here we get 72 is divisible by 4 so given number what? Given number 572 is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Okay, we have to check last two digit of the given number. Here last two digit what? 72. We have to check 72 is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, just to divide, then we get remainder is 0. So what? 72 is divisible by 4. That means given number 572 is divisible by 4. Okay, next question. What is the last two digits? Second question, last two digits. Yes, last two digits. Last two digits equal to 52. 52 contains how many 4s? Is 52 divided by 4. Is 1 into 4, 4. 1 balance 12. 12 contains how many 4? Not 5. Divided by 4. How many 4? 4 into 3, 12. That is balance 0. Okay, that means what? 52 also divisible by 4. Okay, this 52 divided by 4, then we got remainder 0. That means 52 is divisible by 4. So given number, what is the given number? Given number is what? Is 7,26,352. 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. Okay, divisible by 4. Understood? Okay. Then next question, we want to check last two digits. Here last two digits are 0. What is the condition? Last two digits are 0 or divisible by 4. Then given number is divisible by 4. Here last two digits are 0. So it is divisible by 4. Okay. Next three questions, homework. Okay. Next three questions, homework. Have you understood today's portions? What are today's portions? Yes, divisibility test 2, 3, 4, 5, then 10. Okay, all of you understood? Yes, today I wind up the class. We will meet again in the next class. Okay, thank you.